Want to boost your brain power and supercharge your nervous system? What if we told you that some of the tastiest fruits could be your secret weapon for sharper focus, reduced stress, and better brain health? In this video, we're diving into 9 incredible fruits that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also support your mind and nervous system like never before. Stay tuned, because these brain-boosting fruits might just be the missing link in your wellness routine. Ready to unlock the power of nature's best-kept secret? Let's get started. 1. Blueberries, the brain-boosting powerhouse. Blueberries are often referred to as brain food due to their rich nutritional profile and numerous health benefits. These small berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Chronic inflammation and oxidative damage are significant contributors to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Research has found that regular consumption of blueberries may improve memory, cognitive function, and learning ability. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that older adults who consumed blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks showed improved cognitive performance, particularly in the areas of memory and verbal recall. Another study in neurobiology of aging demonstrated that blueberries may also enhance motor function and brain signaling in aging rats, which suggests potential benefits for the elderly. Additionally, blueberries are a great source of vitamin C and vitamin K, both of which play a role in maintaining healthy brain function. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the brain from free radicals, while vitamin K is essential for synthesizing sphingolipids, which are vital for the structure and function of nerve cells. 2. Avocados, the healthy fat for brain function. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has been shown to support brain health by improving blood flow and oxygen supply to the brain. Healthy blood circulation is crucial for maintaining cognitive function, especially as we age. Additionally, avocados contain a wealth of other essential nutrients, including potassium, folate, and vitamin E, all of which contribute to overall brain health. Potassium is an electrolyte that helps maintain proper nerve function and communication. It plays a key role in the transmission of electrical signals between nerve cells. Folate, a B vitamin, is essential for nerve cell development and function. And a deficiency in folate has been linked to cognitive decline and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Avocados are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect the brain from oxidative stress. Vitamin E, in particular, has been shown to protect brain cells from damage and support healthy brain aging. Research indicates that vitamin E may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. 3. Bananas, a natural source of energy for the brain. Bananas are one of the most popular and widely consumed fruits in the world. They are a great source of carbohydrates, particularly natural sugars such as glucose, which is the brain's primary energy source. The brain consumes a significant portion of the body's glucose, so maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for optimal brain function. Bananas are also rich in potassium, which plays a critical role in maintaining proper nerve function. Potassium helps regulate the electrical impulses that transmit messages between nerve cells. A deficiency in potassium can lead to muscle weakness, cramps, and impaired cognitive function. In addition to potassium, bananas contain vitamin B6, which is involved in the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA. These neurotransmitters play a key role in mood regulation, cognitive function, and the overall health of the nervous system. 4. Oranges, a citrus powerhouse for brain health. Oranges are one of the best sources of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in maintaining brain health. Vitamin C is necessary for the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells. Research has shown that vitamin C deficiency can impair cognitive function and increase the risk of developing conditions such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Consuming foods rich in vitamin C, such as oranges, helps protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that flavonoids from citrus fruits like oranges can improve memory and attention in older adults. Oranges also contain folate, which is essential for the development and function of the nervous system. Folate deficiency has been linked to cognitive decline and an increased risk of birth defects in infants. 5. Pomegranates, a powerful antioxidant for brain protection. Pomegranates are known for their impressive antioxidant content, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins. These antioxidants have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which are key contributors to neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Pomegranates also have neuroprotective effects, which may help improve cognitive function and memory. A study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that pomegranate juice supplementation improved memory and cognitive performance in elderly participants. Pomegranates may also have potential benefits for neurogenesis, the process by which new neurons are formed in the brain. Some studies suggest that the compounds in pomegranates can stimulate the growth of new neurons, which may improve cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. 6. Apples, a fruit for mental sharpness. Apples are not only a convenient and delicious snack but also an excellent source of nutrients that promote brain health. Apples are rich in antioxidants, particularly quercetin, which has been shown to protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. These effects are important for preventing cognitive decline and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. In addition to antioxidants, apples contain fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and provides a steady supply of energy to the brain. Consuming apples may help prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar, which can negatively impact cognitive function and mood. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular apple consumption was associated with improved cognitive performance, particularly in the areas of memory and attention. The study suggests that the polyphenol in apples, such as quercetin, may play a role in preserving brain function. Apples are also a good source of vitamin C, which, as previously mentioned, is essential for the health of the nervous system and the protection of brain cells from oxidative damage. 7. Strawberries, a sweet treat for cognitive health. Strawberries are another fruit that is rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins and vitamin C. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells and contribute to neurodegenerative diseases. Regular consumption of strawberries has been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of cognitive decline. A study published in Annals of Neurology found that older adults who consumed more berries, particularly strawberries, had slower rates of cognitive decline compared to those who ate fewer berries. The antioxidants in strawberries are believed to play a key role in this protective effect by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation in the brain. In addition to antioxidants, strawberries are a good source of folate, which is important for brain development and function. Folate helps produce and maintain new nerve cells and supports cognitive function. 8. Grapes, the age-defying brain booster. Grapes are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for brain health. They contain high levels of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids like resveratrol and quercetin. Resveratrol, in particular, has gained attention for its neuroprotective properties and potential to enhance brain function. Studies have shown that resveratrol can help improve blood flow to the brain, reduce inflammation, and even promote neurogenesis, the growth of new neurons. A study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience highlighted the benefits of resveratrol in combating age-related cognitive decline and enhancing memory. The researchers found that resveratrol supplementation improved cognitive function in older adults, suggesting that this compound may help protect the brain from the detrimental effects of aging. Grapes also help improve circulation, ensuring that the brain receives adequate oxygen and nutrients for optimal function. Regular consumption of grapes may improve overall brain health and reduce the risk of developing cognitive disorders associated with aging, such as dementia. 9. Kiwi, a tangy fruit for cognitive clarity. Kiwi is a small, nutrient-dense fruit that offers an array of health benefits for the brain and nervous system. One of the standout features of kiwi is its exceptionally high vitamin C content. In fact, a single kiwi can provide more than the recommended daily intake of vitamin C, which is vital for protecting the brain from oxidative stress and supporting the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. vitamin C is particularly important for the brain because it helps to combat the harmful effects of free radicals,